Hey everyone, welcome back and hope you are doing well, right? So in today's video, we are going to learn about while loops. Okay. So what are while loops and why we use while loops, right? So let's say you are given a task and you want to print, let's say like, hey Shubham, that you have to print a number 1 to 10. So what would be your initial step if you don't know while loops? So your step would be you will definitely go to Visual Studio Code, okay, while.py. Okay, so what would be your initial step? You will just go to the VS Code and keep on typing one and keep on typing something like this, print two, and so on. And then you execute the program and you'll see that you are getting the output. What if I say that this same particular thing can be done in 3 or 4 lines of code? Here comes the while loop. When you know till when you have to execute a particular thing and you want to print it over the console, we make use of while loop. Okay, and how it can be done? Let's see. Okay, let us initialize a variable and let me initialize and store value 0 to it. Okay, and here we'll use while this number that is 0 is less than or equal to 10. I want it to print the below statements. Okay, so here you will be writing the statement that you want to print. So print I. And then what I want to do is I just want to increment this particular number. So this would be I equals to I plus 1. All right. And then what I'll do, I'll just print a message over here so that I'll be getting a note. I'll get a note that yeah, execution is completed. Okay. See, the 10 lines of code has been optimized now and it is being updated in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines of code. Okay. Okay. So what is the use case? Let's say. So we have initialized the variable I with 0. And then what we have done is we said Python to execute the below line until and unless it is less than or equal to 10. Okay. What we did is, so the flow of structure of the program goes in such a way that it will go to line number 3 and we'll check, hey, whether I is equals to less than or equal to 10. So it will say yes, 0 is less than equal to 10, then it will print 0 over here. Then what is the meaning of this line? This line is nothing but I is equals to I plus 1, or what it will do actually. It will do something like this. I'll just write down in the comments here. It will be executed in such a manner. See, so here the value of I would be 0 and it would be 0 plus 1. Okay. So this will be happening in first iteration. So what it will do? It will update the value by 1. Okay. So 0 equals to 0 plus 1. Now the value of I is equals to 1. See? And now it will again go to line number 3 and check whether 1 is less than equals to 10. It will check, it will say yes. Then it will print I. Then again the value will be updated here and this 0 will be replaced by 1. And now it would be something like, so this would be I. Okay. So this would do something like this. The previous value plus the updated value. So it would be storing 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now the value of I equals to 2. Now it will check, hey, whether 2 is less than equals to 10. Yeah, it is giving a green check and saying, yeah, it is less than 10. Then it is going to print the statement. Now the value of I is 2. Okay. Now this value of I will be replaced by 2 and the previous value it will be added and 1 will be added over here and the value of I will be updated by 3. It will check again whether I is whether the number 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes, then it will print the statement. Again, the value will be updated by 4. Now it will be I will be updated by 5, and then it is going to check the value whether it is less than equal to 10. Now it is going to follow the same step. Now comes 9. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. It is going to check the value and say, hey Python, whether 10 is less than or equals to 10. 10 is not less than but it is equal to 10, right? 10 is equals to 10, right? So it will print the statement and now the value will be updated and it will be showing 10 over here and 10 plus 1 as we all know is 11. It will be storing the value of 11. Okay, and it will compare 11 is less than or equal to 10. No, it isn't. So it will go out of the loop and this particular statement will be printed. Okay, now let us execute this program. It is printing the value and we are getting execution is completed over here. So it is printing all the lines. So you might be wondering, yeah, so we have saved 5 lines of code right now. So what's the actual use case? The actual use case is what if the number is increasing by 1,000? Let's print this. So it is going to print till 1,000. See, as you can see over the console. Let me drag it over here. Yeah. So it will print till 1,000 in just 5 lines of code. When I want to change this to 500, I'll run the code and it will print till 500 and it will print the message as execution is completed. So when we know till when the work is going to be done and we need to update a particular set of value, we make use of while loop. All right. Hope you got today's video and see you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a wonderful day.